Are you looking for a redaction solution that can black out sensitive information from both electronic and scanned documents? CaseGuard Studio can handle a multitude of file types, including PDF, Word, PST, EML, PowerPoint, Excel, and TXT. Whether you're handling 10 or 10,000 documents a month, CaseGuard Studio has the right tools to get the job done. AI text analysis automatically searches documents in over 70 different languages, including Spanish, French, Arabic, and Chinese. CaseGuard Studio is also trained to identify 33 categories of personally identifiable and sensitive information such as names, phone numbers, payment information, and social security numbers. Use Find and Redact with AI text analysis to search for keywords, phrases, and acronyms within documents to ensure satisfactory redaction. Customize your workflow with redaction templates, Find and Redact keyword lists, and full-page redaction. You can color code redactions, bait stamp, and add watermarks to documents with ease. And for document management, you can merge documents together, remove pages, and extract pages to form a new document. Manage large FOIA and discovery requests efficiently with bulk processing. Bulk processing can redact, bait stamp, and add watermarks to an unlimited number of documents at once, making backlogs a thing of the past. With CaseGuard Studio's built-in PST converter, you can manage thousands of emails at once. You can search the PST to find the documents in need of redaction, or choose to add all emails. Choose to import emails, emails and attachments, or attachments only. Choose if you want your emails sorted by sender or date sent. Then import and begin redacting. In just a few clicks, over 69,000 emails have been fully redacted. For all of your document redaction needs, put your trust in CaseGuard Studio. Book a demo with one of our dedicated redaction experts at caseguard.com today.